Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video I would like to talk about some moving commands we can use it with the Vim program or VI program. So first thing I want to do is to use the VIM program to open the file named file like this. And here I'm in the file. As you can see, I have prepared some phrases or sentences to doing this tutorial. So as you can see, my cursor is here, the letter M. So the first moving commands or keystroke is using the letter L, and we can use L to move cursor right one character like this. If I type the letter L, I can move cursor right one character like this. And the opposite, so to move the cursor left one character, I can use the letter H like this. So H to move cursor left one character and L to move cursor right character, one character. So to move cursor down one line, so the next line is the text or the program. So to move cursor down one line, we have to use G. So G, the letter G, to move cursor down one line. And the letter K to move cursor up one line. So G and the opposite is K. G to move cursor down one line and K to move cursor up one line. Another moving commands or keystroke, we can use the letter W and W to move cursor forward one word to front of next word. So W like this, we move cursor forward one word like this. So the letter E to move cursor to end of current word like this. So W to move cursor forward one word to front of next word like this. Now the cursor is on letter D. I type W, letter C. But if I use the letter E, I can move cursor or I move cursor to end of current word. So instead of letter F now, when I type E, this is the letter N. If I type W, is the letter F. So I can repeat W to move cursor forward one word to front of next word and the letter E to move cursor to end of current word. So another command, moving command is the letter B. Keystroke is the letter B to move cursor backward one word. So B stands for backward like this. So to move cursor backward one word, I can use the letter B. The dollar sign, if I use the dollar sign, I can move the cursor to end of line. So dollar sign to move the cursor to end of the line. So if I use the letter GG two times, I can move cursor to the file's first line like this. GG file first line like this. Two times GG. The capital G, I can use it or to move, we use it to move the cursor to the file's last line. So capital G to move cursor to the file last line. If I want to move cursor to file line number, for example, line number 3 or line number 6, I can use 6 capital G, like this, 6 capital G. So here I'm on the lender on line 6. For example, to move cursor to file line number 2, I can type 2 capital G like this. So another moving command, I can use Control B to scroll up almost one full screen like this. Control B. And Control F to scroll down almost one full screen like this. So Control B to scroll up almost one full screen and Control F to scroll down almost one full screen like this. To scroll up half of a screen, I can use the Control U. So Control U, we use it to scroll up half of a screen. I can use Control D, or we use Control D to scroll down half of a screen like this. So Control U to scroll up half of a screen and Control D to scroll down half of a screen. Control Y to scroll up one line. So Control Y to scroll up one line like this, and Control E to scroll down one line. Control E to one line. So Control F to scroll up one line and Control E to scroll down one line like this. E, Control E, and Control F. I'm here. Control E. So to recap or to sum up, this commonly used Vim command, just to moving command. So the letter H to move cursor left one character. The letter L to move cursor right one character. The letter J to move cursor down one line. And the letter K to move cursor up one line. W, we use it to move cursor forward one word to front of the next word. And the letter E to move cursor to end of current word. The B letter, or the letter B, we use it to move cursor backward one line. The dollar sign to move cursor to end of line. Two times the letter G, small g, so GG, to move cursor to the file's first line, and the capital G to move cursor to the file's last line. If want to move the cursor to file line number 2, for example, we use 2 capital G. So the number 2, then the capital G. We have also the Control B to scroll up almost one full screen and Control F to scroll down almost one full screen. Control U to scroll up half of a screen and Control D to scroll down half of screen. And then you have the Control Y to scroll up one line. And finally, we have Control E to scroll down one line. But that's it for this video. Hope you are enjoyed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.